Hello. Welcome to the first video of our channel. We are Worldwide Forex Trading, a team specialized in investments in the foreign exchange market and beyond. We created this YouTube channel with the aim of providing free information to anyone who wants to learn the forex market without paying for expensive courses from the so famous Instagram traders. In today's video we will discuss a strategy for day trading that is very familiar among professional traders called alligator strategy. As the name suggests, this strategy uses a very famous indicator, the Williams Alligator indicator. This is a technical analysis tool that uses smoothed moving averages. It uses 3 moving averages, set at 5, 8, and 13 periods. The 3 moving averages comprise the jaw, teeth, and lips of the alligator. This alligator indicator is a trend-following indicator and is used to find the trend direction of a stock or currency pair. Here's how the alligator indicator works. When the price is above all the 3 lines of the alligator, the market is considered to be in an uptrend. Similarly, when the price is below the alligator, the market is considered to be in a downtrend. The strength of the trend is determined by how far the alligator lines are from each other. If all 3 lines are far away from each other, we can say that there is a strong trend going on. If the alligator lines are close to each other, market is considered to be in a range. Our advice to avoid taking any positions in that type of conditions. Now that we understand how to identify trending and ranging markets using the Williams Alligator indicator, let's see how this indicator works as an entry signals generator. When the price is above all 3 lines of the alligator indicator, and the lips line, green one, crosses over the jaw and teeth line, it is a buy signal. Conversely, when the price is below all 3 lines of the alligator indicator, and the lips line crosses below the jaw and teeth line, it is a sell signal. Simple as that. Regarding the placement of stop loss and take profit, we advise you to place the stop loss in the last high or low, if you are facing a long position, or in the last low or high if you are facing a short position. To that value you can add your spreads. The take profit must be placed at a minimum risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. In this way, in the long run you will profit with this strategy. You can make entries in the 30 minutes time frame or in the 1 hour time frame, always checking if the trend is the same in larger time frames, as in the 4 hours time frame, for example. In future videos we will explain better how to look for this pattern. And that's all you need to know about this strategy. Here are the rules of the strategy summarized. 1. There must be a well-defined trend in the time frame where the entry will be made, as well as confirmation in a larger time frame. 2. You have to wait for the lips line to cross between the other 2 lines, it can't be just on one. 3. Other indicators can be added to this strategy in order to try to clear out false signals. In future videos we will show you some examples of how to do this. 4. Always respect the stop loss and take profit placement rules that we have announced. 5. Finally, you need to manage your risk well. Let's talk about that topic now. Never forget that what makes a great trader is his risk management, and not his strategy. Our advice is to never use more than 2% risk per trade. With a 2% risk per trade, even if you have some stop losses in a row, the percentage of bankroll you lose will always be easily recovered and turned into profit in the long run. For example, if you lose 10 trades in a row with 2% risk, you will have lost 20% of your bankroll. But, considering a strategy with a win rate of only 50%, the next 10 trades can easily and statistically achieve take profit. Now, considering the minimum risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5, and the same percentage of risk, with these 10 take profits you earn 30% profit. As you can see, in the end you always end up winning, you just have to be patient and not give up. And remember, your biggest enemy is your emotions, so do not trade with emotions. Respect your trading plan and only execute a trade when you have a clear entry, and according to the strategy. Thank you for watching. We hope we helped you. We also have a page on Instagram where we make some posts about technical aspects of trading and investments, as well as updated news about the global economy. You can also check our group on the Telegram, where we post some promising trading setups and provide fundamental analysis every morning. And the best part, this group is also completely free. We will leave both links in the description. Don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe our channel. Turn on your notifications bell so you don't lose any of our educational videos. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.